Hey everyone, so I wanted to do a quick walkthrough of web design. There are a lot of clients out there who don't have fully optimized sales funnels, fully optimized websites. So your SEO is suffering, your website performance is suffering, site speed is suffering, etc. And if you guys don't have a clear direction that is mapped out for your clients, customers, prospects to understand who you are, what you do, in the feel of your branding within seconds, you're going to lose out on a lot of traffic, and you're also going to lose out on a lot of potential sales and revenue. So this is just a quick snippet to show you guys what we do as an agency differently than other companies outside of our fixed pricing structure is that we build out fully customized websites that includes optimization. And I'll walk you through what I mean by sales funnels and optimization. So our company is StartMark, the name derived from marketing for startups. Majority of our clients aren't startups. There are bigger companies and some small businesses and a little bit of mid-sized companies, but the name itself sticks with the branding because we do a fixed pricing structure. So just to show you guys, this is our website here. And you guys will start to understand the process of building out a sales funnel when you guys have a optimized website, because there's a lot of automation that is included into building out a sales funnel that is necessary and needed today. So as you can see, you want to make sure that you have very clean, defined pages. Don't get too fancy with the page titles, because the last thing you want to do is to be counterproductive and actually confuse your audience more than inform them. So make sure that you guys start here. Before, we had some really crazy jargon, some cool copywriting, but it was actually counterproductive because we weren't getting the traffic and conversions that we needed because it was actually confusing people. And remember, when people come to your site, you want to be mobile optimized, because a lot of people are just scrolling through. And then also, too, you want to make sure that your site speed, as well as your copy and your content, fits your brand so that everything is cohesive. So keep that in mind. So as you can see here, this is what I mean by funnels. So this button here, Get Your Free Audit, is going to take our customers or potential customers to a landing page. And we build this out for our clients as well. As soon as they hit start, it's going to ask some questions. Give a short description of what you're in need of. So a short brief, ask them for their website, their first name, email address, and then what their budget may be. Right? So this automatically gives us some leeway and a better way to build rapport with our clients and customers when we ask them very direct and specific questions. Next, you want to set up things that are kind of like a webinar. So kind of a video that you're seeing here. And we use Loom. So Loom is a great plugin through Google Chrome that we use to record all of our sales proposals. We do our website demos, etc. But you want to make sure that you have all those things within cohesion, right? So you want to build these out within your site. That way people can understand who you are and what you're offering. So not only have we built out, our website that has a lot of informing content information, we also have built out videos and webinars that are live on our site. So every time you come there, people can check out the webinar, right? So if you hit play, this is what you'll see. We are a dedicated agency solely focused on helping small business owners and startup companies grow. Right, so it gives you a little bit of understanding of who we are more as a 32-minute, 19-second webinar. So if you understand the back end of what's happening, right, the more information that people have throughout their buying process and journeys, the better you're going to convert them as a paid user in the end. So keep this in mind, guys, when you guys are building out your websites. Make sure you have very informative content, and you want to have a website that is structured around what you do. So our main difference of how we went to market fast and was able to scale is because we offer a fixed pricing structure with month-to-month options, right? So these are some of our pricing packages here. But as you can see, everything is built out in a way that is cohesive to the brand itself. And then it includes the information based off of who you are, what you do, and how you differ. Right, so it shows our difference, contacts, tips, DIY videos, and here's a little bit of our story with the direct contact us page there. So all these things are built out for funnels, right? As you can see, the different landing pages go to another section of the brand strategy for a greater sales journey. Now, if I was to go to DIY videos, the cool thing that you guys can do is you have a product or service that you're offering. you can put these DIY videos up. Now, what's going to happen with the DIY videos is when people go to them, it's going to send them back to that link that they have already went to. So we've placed DIY videos on YouTube, and we use that as a way to not only further market and promote ourselves, but also as a way to increase our rapport and increase our brand awareness with potential prospects and customers, right? So if I go to HubSpot, we also set this up for clients where we include HubSpot. And the reason why you want to include HubSpot is because HubSpot is great for rapport building. So if I go to HubSpot and I, look at all the contacts, these are a mixture of, prospect leads, clients, people we've already done business with, retainer clients, etc. But if you go to HubSpot, there are so many different things that you can do. So, for example, I can go to my marketing and I can go to my forms, and my forms also pop up with my website, right? And it shows you how many people have engaged, how many people have, filled out the forms, etc., right? So this automatically gets populated on my website when people first go and visit. So we build that out for you as well. We also include chatbots within HubSpot. So this is all included with our packages starting off at $3,000. The package that you're looking at now is priced at $4,500. So $4,500 gets you the full integrations, the SEO, the revisions, the custom website, and the sales funnels. And the reason why you guys want the sales funnels plus a CRM is because it's going to help you run a much more smart, effective, and lean company. So if I was to go to conversations, right, here's our chat flows. And our chat flows, as you can see, is a way that we interact with, customers and clients, right? So this is all automated. So when people come through our funnels, it's automatically lead generated and it sends them directly to our HubSpot account, which is super effective. It's really lean, it's robust, and it's a great tool to use. And this is not at an ongoing price to you guys. So it's at a one-time fixed price fee. And I just want to show, people out there who are either considering redoing their own websites. You can check out this video if you are in need of an agency to outsource to. We also can do it for you for a fixed price. And we make sure that we handle everything from audits to data, implementations, Google Analytics, etc. And last but not least, you have tickets, right? So you can open up support tickets if you're dealing with clients. You have support tickets, right? So you can understand that everything that's going on into your organization is being funneled through the right contacts, the right teams, and problems are being solved as you guys are being cohesive and collaborating with different clients. And then also, too, you can use analytic tools. Now, this is a really cool tool because it allows us to see who's on our website and who's interacting with our website without having to spend more money on remarketing through advertising. So this has also saved us money because, as you can see, it tracks the IP address because we place the code in the back end of our WordPress site. And then also, too, we have an API through HubSpot. So as you guys can see, we will set this all up for you guys for a fixed price. If you guys are interested, feel free to give us a direct shout. You can go to the website. You can go to contact, or you can also just feel free to send me an email. My direct email is demetrius@startmark.com. That's Demetrius@startmarke.com. If you guys have any questions, you can feel free to call me direct. My mobile number is 330-256-9303. You have any questions at all that I can answer, I am, and we are offering a free consultation. My background, I was an engineer for Microsoft before I started my company. So a lot of data analytics and a lot of things that you're seeing isn't included with other agencies because they simply don't have the data implementation background as well or engineering background. So these are all the things that we include. And this is just a short snippet of a demo to show some of our clients. So some people who are DIYing their own sites and potential prospects, how we can collaborate and work together and everything that's included in that bundle package. So keep in mind, guys, we differ in our fixed pricing structure, and that includes everything from SEO. You get included revisions, you get the data implementation, and you get the full CRM setup and consulting for a fixed fee starting at $3,000. So if you guys are interested, feel free to reach out, and I look forward to hopefully working with you in the future.